What up, Biscuits? It's your boy, Biscuit Benny, back at it again on Roger the Grom. We got Fabio and his fully souped up Grom over there. Fabio has a 170cc big bore kit, Yoshi slip-on. He's got a Chimera cold air intake, Renthal handlebars, a new fuel injector, an aftermarket seat. What else is there? And also, he's got the high-flow oil filter and the custom clutch cover. That bike is completely pimped out, so it kind of makes me jealous. A little bit jealous. His bike is faster than mine now. Is that a ditch? Yeah, this is pretty tall, dude. One of us is definitely going to drop our bikes. What does that mean? How do you not lose your license? What do you not want to do? Well, are we doing anything illegal? Yeah, we can work with that. I can tell. Yeah, we got to do it again, man. Well, we can't race this time, I guess. Do you see back there, this little grassy area? Maybe we can just use this piece of wood here, like. Guess we better turn around. Sorry. He's probably gonna call the cops, so we should go. That guy, dude, he just came out immediately. Omaha Sports Commission, huh? Next stop, London. Omaha, Nebraska, AquaZone, U.S. swimming track. Dude, that's a shout out to home. I'm from Omaha. That's perfect. That is really cool. Let's do a little switcheroo. Yeah. Dude, it's so fast. Yeah. This is actually his bike, and he put a big bore kit on it. It's a 170. 170? Yeah. They're so funny.
Cool as shit.
Yeah, really cool, yeah.
That's a lot of fun to ride.
Yeah, they're super fun. we're off. Back on Roger. Back on Roger the Grom. How closed is closed? Alright, dude, sounds good. See you, bro. Well, Biscuits, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to hit the like button, click subscribe, share it with a friend, and until next time, peace!